honeys? It's Jackie Nicole here, and today is going to be pretty much a wig review, but not an install, because if you've seen an install, you've seen them all. And y'all know I'm a mompreneur, so pretty much everything I do, I probably did it myself. If I can't do it myself, then I'll pay somebody else to do it or whatever. But let me go ahead and let you guys know where I get some of these things from, because most of the time when I post, it's somebody that comes under the post or whatever asks where I got it from, even though, you know, y'all that have been following me or subscribed to me know that, okay, anything I mention in my videos will be in the description bar, but some people that are watching are new and they're just joining us. Okay, so first, I always get questions about the this bonnet. It's satin inside and out, and this is the only bonnet that ever stays on my head. This, matter of fact, this is the last bonnet I've ever bought. And I got it off of Amazon, and it'll be linked in the description. It ties in the front. Well, I tie it in the front, but it comes with this two little you know, attachments or whatever. And let me go ahead and take it off. But I got this from Amazon. It'll be linked in the, it's under hair and wigs. Hair, whatever. Yeah, easy to find. And when I wear, I'm doing a wig review, so when I wear wigs of any kind, I always put a wig band on. It has the little ridges on it, both sides, so it doesn't slip. Because I ordered this when I put on my braided wig, because you know those can be kind of heavy, and it was. The braids was like pulling, and when I put on this helped with that a lot. These will also be linked in the same area of my Amazon storefront. And one thing I wanted to mention is, y'all know I don't really do lashes because they irritate my eyes, but I just recently found this mascara. This is One Coat, and I got that off of Amazon too, because it was a big rave on TikTok, and I ordered some, and I like it. They have the waterproof, and they have another one, the Mega or whatever, but I plan on putting another coat on to see, okay, just how fancy it can get. But let's go ahead and get on to this thing. So this is what I'm reviewing today. It's the Sensational Cloud 9 in the Wet Lace collection, and this is Glenna. This is the 13 by 6 part, and this is light ash brown. I don't know what made me get this ash brown, but I did. And when I got it, it was like, why did I choose this color? But I think I was, you know, trying to think outside the box, because I didn't want to get black, and I didn't want to get, you know, anyway, this is how I ended up with this light ash brown. But yeah, this is the spotted. It comes pretty much pre-plucked, and yeah, let's go ahead and slide this on, because I'm trying to regrow my hair to for my locks, and it's taking too long. So I gotta find ways, you know, to stay sane. And within me, you know, when I was in the military, we used to wear hair hats, and right in the area where my hat sat is where it was thinning out. And then when I actually went to my dermatologist, and she recommended me get, you know, some Rogaine. Obviously, I had a allergic reaction to the Rogaine, and it actually made it come out more. So now I'm regrowing that and trying to let it grow back for my locks. So that's where I am now. She has a band inside right here, and she also have the bands, you know, the classic bands, you know, to tighten or whatever. And then she has two combs by the air flaps. She have a comb on the inside, and it's a comb at the back, at the nape line right there. And this is how the lace looks, but you really can't tell anything, okay, when you don't have it on. So yeah. So off top, I don't know. This color, I don't know what made me choose this color. It better grow on me while I'm installing this, or after. I'm gonna be mad. But So where's my tint? I guess I should have cut y'all off until I found it, huh? Let me find my wig tint because I haven't worn a wig in forever. So, but it's under the sink somewhere. Okay, I have the Perfect Melt Kiss Color Cares Lace Tinting Spray, and I have it in medium brown. Oh my gosh. But where are, I guess I'm gonna use this one. I hope it's sharp enough. Go ahead and cut my lace off, and then I'll be back. I'm trying not to make these videos long because I know sometimes they can get long. So this is pretty much to see, okay, how it looks after I get done with it, opposed to how it looks right now. Okay, y'all, I got this thing on. The color still has not grown on me. So, yeah. I haven't tried to put it up or anything yet. But anywho, all in all, I love how it falls and everything. It's just that the color hasn't grown on me yet. This is what I get for trying to do something different. But when I make drastic decisions like that, it usually grows on me. So before the day is out, it should grow on me. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's with the part. I didn't do the concealer or anything. I barely parted it. I just did it with my hands. And I did spray the tint inside of the crown. But before I go outside, I plan on plugging up my flat iron and flattening it down some more. And maybe give it some more curl or whatever. Look at that definition. But anywho, that is it. So if you had questions about the Sensational Cloud9 Glenna wig, this is she, and this is the color light ash brown. I don't think I've seen any videos with the light ash brown. Should have told me something, but hey. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, this is linked in my Amazon too. I paid 60, I think it was 66, but it is currently on sale right now for 40. Yeah, 40, 45. It's 40 something. 44. Where the hell I get 45 from? It's on sale for 44. Because I've been holding on to this thing for a while now. I had it at least probably about 4 or 5 months. But like I said, I was waiting for my hair to grow, you know, so I can at least lay it down. Waiting on it to get some length so I can get my starter locks again so I can reattach the other ones. But that's a whole nother story. So, yeah. Turn. picture. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Toodles.